What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got a little mini Matco tool haul. Let's check it out. All right, first thing we got up is the quick, I don't know what they're called, quick adjust Knipex pliers. Are branded Matco, but we all know they're Knipex. So I picked these up in the 10-inch as well as the 7-inch. And what caught my eye is that it didn't have the button. My other set is the original Cobra pliers with a button where you have to press it down to adjust to where you want, and then you're good to go. Whereas these only have the teeth on one side, not on this side. So you could quickly adjust it to wherever you want and go from there. And the other reason why I picked these up from Matco is due to the warranty. So when you buy these off of the tool truck, whether it be Matco, Snap-on, and they rebrand it with their logo, they will warranty it even due to wear. So you got your worn out teeth, which eventually will wear out. They are pretty damn hard, but everything will eventually wear out. They will warranty them out for you, no questions asked. As opposed to original Knipex branded ones, they only warranty due to defects in materials. So if the jaw snaps, or the pin breaks, or teeth shear, I think teeth shearing, they would warranty it, but just normal wear and tear stuff they wouldn't. But tool trucks will always take care of you. Pay a little bit more, and that's basically what you're paying for, is that support over the longevity of the tool. So just a little tip for you guys. One of the things that I also noticed about these is they have dipped plastic handles, as opposed to the original Knipex Cobras have that kind of more of a rough textured dipped handle. These are smooth. I actually like these better, to be honest with you. They're easier to keep clean. You just kind of wipe them down. The other one, once it gets in those little grooves, it's pretty much dirty. You never get it really clean. Other than that, not much to these. But thought I would share with you guys. So let's move on to see what else we got. Oh, next up, another light. Yes, that's right, another light. Never have too much lights, especially when you work nights. But this one is not for work. I'm going to keep this at home. So let's check this thing out. All right, so this is a 10 watt. I guess that's what that is, 10 watt light. And it is, of course, orange, my favorite color, black and orange. But it's showing it's 1,000 lumens on high. And it's kind of an under hood style light where you could pivot these in either direction, and you got magnets on the end. You could also rotate these any direction you want. And if that's not working for you, you could always use the hooks. So the thing I like about this too, it is USB-C rechargeable. It does have a battery indicator with 4 bars here, 4 meaning full. So that's always nice to have. And what else do we got? We got high right off the bat, low, off. It's got a 5-hour runtime. That's on the second setting. Get 5 hours out of that. And about 2.5 on high, which is not bad at all. 1,000 lumens, 4.5 hours. It's saying 4.5 hours of charging. So it's not too bad, but you know, when you're done with it at the end of the day, plug it in and it should be ready for you the next day, no problem. Not sure who makes this for Matco, but my dealer was saying that the reviews on this, or his customer feedback, was pretty good. He hasn't had any problems as far as warranty goes. He says they're very strong and pretty durable, which is also what it's advertising on the box. But it's better to hear it out of your tool dealer's mouth than it is to, read on a box. So I thought that was pretty cool, not only just for the color, but for the, size of this. It's very compact, but it packs a punch with about 1,000 lumens. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. And just thought I'd share with you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any experience with any of these things, let me know what your experiences are. I look forward to hearing from those kind of comments. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.